Hey guys, Donnie Wade here. I want to do a video for you guys on Cryptohopper. It's one that we've been watching and I've been using for almost, I guess, 2.5, 3 years now, maybe. It's been quite a while, and they've been doing a bunch of upgrades and new things they've added to their site, so it was definitely time to do a refresher on it. You can see it is an automated crypto trading bot. It's a software that you get to access via a monthly fee. They do have some free plans as well, and I'll show you which ones they are. But the actual plans that are going to be more worth your while are going to be the ones you have to pay for, like anything, of course. But they do automate your trading, and I can show you that. Here's all the exchanges that they can interact with. So they have quite a few exchanges. It's not a one-trick pony. And they do have some new stuff as well. Social trading platform. I want to go over here and just show you the features. They have automatic trading, exchange arbitrage, market making bots, mirror trading, trailing stops, paper trading, strategy designer. You can do it yourself. They have back testing where you can do the trades and see what would have happened if you actually made the trade. Then the exchanges, of course, and then all the features. The pricing, there's 4 levels right now. There's the free one, like I said, it's free all the time. That's they call it Pioneer. Then there's the Explorer one. They do give you 7 days free trial to try it out. That's the one I would recommend if you were going to just try it out. I don't think this one's really worth it. I'd much rather you guys start out at Explorer so you have access to all the tools. And after that 7 days, it's $19 a month, which is super reasonable. Then they have the Adventurer one, which is the Trader Plus package. That's $49 a month. And then the best one is the Pro Trader package, which is their hero, and that's $99 a month. And you can see the differences here, the number of positions that you have, the different options that you could set up in your strategies, how many positions, you know, the triggers, they all change. Trading analysis, they get shorter as you get upper in the packages. And then they have only one simulated trading bot until you get into the Pro package. Then you can have all coins for signals. The exchange arbitrage doesn't start until the Adventurer one, and then the actual market arbitrage won't be available until you get into the Pro package. Then they have the market making and the algorithm, which is in beta. Okay, so there's a bunch of things you can do. They're taking all the different payment options. This is, you know, a legit company. They've been doing this for a while, so they have actual you know, merchant processing accounts, nothing crazy or shady. I want to show you this. Really cool if you guys are into mirror trading, which I would recommend if you don't really know what you're doing. You can come in here to their marketplace, and they have templates and they have strategies, and these are all different people. Some of them are free, some of them you have to buy, and you could just copy their trades, and you can actually see if you click on one of them, it'll show you the information, the signals in the last 3 months, the average profit per trade, and how many people are currently paying the subscription. So you want to go through them. I don't have any recommendation on any of these people right now in the marketplace. I have not done that myself, but it is definitely a good option, especially if you, like I said, if you don't know what you're doing. And you could pick one that has a lot of followers, which would probably be a good bet just to see how everything's going. This one here has this many hundreds of people following him right now, or her. I actually don't know if it's a him or her, but it's called Trend Dipper, big volume, and their strategy, you can see, is only used for currencies with enough volume. So they do only large cap cryptos, not any of the small cap or micro caps. So you kind of see what you want to do. Try to find one that matches your risk level and what you want to try to accomplish. You know, if you're a low risk person, you can't handle ups and downs too bad. You want to make sure that's one that does that for you. If you're one that likes to do the scalping and high risk trades, highly leveraged trades, then you want to make sure you get into the right one. And then there's some that are bear, you know, lean more towards bear, and some that lean more towards bull. So there's all different ways you could do it, but it is really nice to have all this stuff here for you. And like I said, some of them are free. Some of them go up to, I think that one's the most expensive one I've seen, $49, but they start at like $10, $7. And they go all over the place, but there is some free ones as well. See how these ones are free? So that is a possibility, so you guys pick them. So this one here uses Coinbase. You can see it's a template for the dollar on Coinbase Pro. Okay, so they're all different. So you want to just read them, check them out, and you know, if you want to go that way, go ahead. And if you want to do it yourself, you can do that as well, because you have the the designer you can make. You could do trailing stops. You can do all this kind of stuff. I don't know if, depending on how in detailed you are with trading. I mean, maybe these words I'm saying don't make any sense to you. I'm not sure where you're at. But they're all different things that people use as they get more advanced in their trading, whether it's stocks or cryptos or anything. So check it out. I highly recommend them to give them a try. Even if you just do the free one, at least you'll get into the system. You'll be able to see what's going on with it. Give it a try, and then you can always do the backdated things and see what would have happened if you did do the trades. So it's something worth your while to go and check it out. And like I said, they start at free and they go all the way up to $99. If you go yearly, they do give you discounts. So you can see they do get a little cheaper if you pay for the year in advance. Alright, so check it out, and I'm going to do some more videos on it. Maybe break down each one individually in more detail so that you guys can kind of get the actual details of each package or what each of the strategies are. I just wanted to give an overview because there were so many things that had changed in Cryptohopper since the last video I did, I think. It's been quite a while, so I wanted to just give you an update on it and make sure you're aware of them. They're in the market. They're a trusted company now. They've been around for quite a while in the crypto space, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So thanks for watching the video. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe to the channel, and if you guys leave any comments below, it's greatly appreciated. It helps out with the YouTube algorithms so other people can find these videos. So thank you very much, and I'll talk to you guys soon.